Here's what you'll need to know. The button maker has a left and right tray with a red L and R. In the right tray, it has a red line. You will need to line up the back of the button. In the left tray, also has a line, but at the top center, and you'll need to line up your image using that. Your materials are the back of the button with the red dot, an image, and the image plastic cover. In the left tray, place the image facing up and line up the center with the red line. In the left tray, place the plastic circle over the image, then slide the tray to the right. In the right tray, line up the red dot on the back of the button to the red line on the button maker. Pull the lever down while the left tray is completely pushed over. Then slide the right tray over and do the same. Now slide that tray back one more time and it reveals your finished button. You're welcome to take that home with you today. Thanks so much for coming.